Fight arthritis with these simple tips and tricks. A handful of methods exist that are proven effective, safe, healthy, and even promote stronger joints while decreasing pain levels. It's hard to find these secrets by yourself. You can start becoming informed about them by perusing the hints and tips in the following video. Using them can help you enjoy the activities you adore in life. Don't change your medications without speaking to your doctor first. You might have to wait a few weeks before a medication starts working or completely disappears from your system. Do not skimp on sleep if you are suffering from arthritis. The pain will be worse if you feel exhausted. Get no less than 8 hours of sleep. Get even more if the day was particularly stressful. Your body's own healing powers improve substantially with good sleep. Make time in your day to do the things you love. Increased stress levels can lead to more arthritis flare-ups. If you find time to do the activities you enjoy, you'll improve your mood and your energy levels. This kind of effect will lead to lasting improvement for your symptoms. It can be very helpful to treat your arthritis. One good prevention technique is developing good typing habits. Make sure that your hands and keyboards are on the same level with your mouse slightly raised with a mouse pad. This can help reduce hand strain so that your hands don't develop issues later. It is possible to take steps to improve your condition if you suffer from arthritis. You do not have to live with the non-stop pain and debilitated lifestyle if you choose to not do so. If you know what you are up against and know how to approach it, you can reduce your arthritis pain or even eliminate it entirely. By trying some of these tips, you may be able to overcome arthritis and improve the quality of your life as well. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.